Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr.Kay English Channel. I'm Kay.
Hi, I'm Bunie.
Today we learn easy restaurant English.
Yes, simple words, real talk.
Are you hungry, Bunie?
Very hungry. I want something warm.
Soup sounds good.
And maybe a salad, too.
Nice. Let's go to a restaurant. Please like and subscribe for more easy English.
Comment one sentence. What food do you order at a restaurant?
Stay with us and learn 5 simple steps.
After this, you can order, ask, and pay in English with confidence.
Step 1. Arrive and ask for a table. Walk-in English. Step 1 is how to enter and get a table. You can be simple and polite.
You don't need big grammar, just short phrases.
Hi, hello, good evening. Table for 2, please. A table for 1, please. Do you have a table? Do you have a table for 2? We have a reservation. I have a reservation under K. Can we sit by the window? Can we sit outside? Is it busy? How long is the wait? We can wait. No problem. Thank you.
For 2. For 3. For 4. Please. Thank you. By the window. Near the door. In the corner.
Good evening. Table for 2, please.
Do you have a table now?
Yes, we do. Please follow me.
Thank you.
Here you are.
Can we sit by the window?
Sure. This table is by the window.
Perfect. Thanks.
Hi. We have a reservation.
It's under Bunie.
Great. One moment.
No problem.
Yes, I see it. Follow me, please.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy your meal. Step 2. Get the menu and start ordering drinks. Easy start. Step 2 is the easy start. Menu and drinks. Drinks are a great first order.
You can speak slowly. That's okay.
Key phrases. Many real-life examples. Can we have the menu, please?
Do you have an English menu?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you.
Can I start you with drinks?
I'll have iced tea, please.
Great.
And a glass of water, no ice, please.
Sure.
What about you, Kay?
I'll have coffee, please. What's the special today?
And what do you recommend?
Today's special is grilled chicken with rice.
Sounds good.
Would you like drinks first?
Yes, 2 waters, please.
Still or sparkling?
Still, please.
Step 3. Order food. Main phrases you can reuse.
Step 3 is ordering food. Use I'll have or I'd like.
These are super common and polite.
Core patterns. I'll have the chicken, please. I'd like the chicken, please. Can I get the chicken? We'll have 2 soups. She'll have the salad. I'll have this one. Point to the menu. I'll have the same. Can we share this? 1 to share, please. Can we get it to go? To go, please. For here, please.
Common add-ons and changes. No onions, please. No peanuts, please. No cheese, please. Less spicy, please. Not too spicy, please. Extra sauce, please. On the side, please. Dressing on the side, please. Can I change fries to salad? Can I add an egg? Can I get extra rice? Can I get more vegetables?
Helpful timing phrases. We're ready to order. We need a few minutes, please. 1 more minute, please. Can you come back? We're still deciding.
Repeat after me, only once.
Repeat after me. We're ready to order.
We're ready to order.
Hi, are you ready to order?
Yes, we're ready to order.
Great.
I'd like the grilled chicken, please.
Okay.
Less spicy, please.
No problem.
And dressing on the side for the salad, please.
Sure. And for you? I'll have the beef noodles, please. Great choice.
We need a few minutes, please.
We're still deciding.
Sure, I'll come back.
Thank you. Later. Are you ready now?
Yes, we'll have 1 soup to share.
Okay.
And I'll have the fried rice. No onions, please.
Got it.
And he'll have the burger.
How would you like it cooked?
Medium, please.
Perfect.
Step 4. During the meal. Ask for help. Fix problems politely. Step 4 is talking during the meal. You may need more water, napkins, or help.
Also, you may need to fix a problem. Be polite and calm.
Ask for things. Many real-life examples. Excuse me, can we get some water, please? Can I have more water? Can we get napkins, please? Can I get a fork? Can I get a spoon? Can we get extra plates? Can we get some ketchup? Can we get more sauce? Could you help me, please? Can you take this? Point to an empty plate. This is delicious. It's very good.
Check-in phrases. How was everything? Everything is good, thank you. It's great. We're good, thanks.
Polite problem phrases. Sorry, I think this is wrong. I ordered chicken, but this is fish. Can you change it, please? This is cold. Can you warm it up, please? This is too spicy for me. Can I get a less spicy one? I asked for no onions. Can you remake it, please? Can I talk to the server, please? Rare, but useful. Role-play dialogue. Excuse me, can we get 2 more waters, please?
And napkins, please.
Sure. Anything else?
Can I get extra sauce on the side, please?
Of course.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This food is really good.
Yes, it's delicious. Role-play dialogue 2. Excuse me. Sorry, I think this is wrong. I ordered chicken, but this looks like fish. I'm so sorry. Let me fix that.
Thank you.
Would you like to keep this while you wait?
No, thank you.
Okay, I'll bring the chicken soon.
No problem.
Step 5. Pay the bill and leave. Finish strong.
Step 5 is paying and leaving. This is the moment many learners feel shy.
But it's easy with these lines.
Excuse me, can we get the bill, please? Can I have the check, please? The check, please. Can we pay now? Do you take card? Do you take cash? Can I pay by card? Can we split the bill? Can we split it? Separate checks, please. Together, please. Can I get a receipt? Is service included? Do we tip here? Useful when traveling.
If something is wrong on the bill, sorry, I think there is a mistake. We didn't order this. Can you check it, please? Leaving phrases.
Thank you. Thank you so much. It was great. Have a nice day. See you next time. Excuse me, can I have the check, please?
And can we pay by card?
Yes, of course.
Can we get a receipt, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Can we split the bill, please?
Separate checks, please.
No problem.
Do you take card?
Yes, we do.
Great, thank you.
You're welcome.
The food was great.
Thank you so much. Let's recap our 5 steps. Step 1. Arrive and ask for a table. Step 2. Get the menu and order drinks. Step 3. Order food with I'll have and I'd like. Step 4. Ask for help during the meal and fix problems politely. Step 5. Pay the bill and leave with polite words.
Simple steps, real restaurant English.
Comment 1 sentence using restaurant English. Example, I'd like the chicken, please.
Now you write your sentence.
Thanks for watching Mr.Kay English Channel.
Please like and subscribe for more easy English.
See you next time.